Welcome to everyone. Today we will see that convex lens. Before you should subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment, share it. Don't forget click the bell buttons. Let us start now. Convex lens. A convex lens is also known as a converging lens. A converging lens is lens that converge rays of light that are traveling parallel to its principal axis. They can be identified by their shape, which is relatively thick across the middle and thin at the upper and lower edges. The edges are curved outward rather than inward. As light approaches the lens, the rays are parallel. As each ray reaches the glass surface, it is refracted according to the effective angle of incidence at the point of the lens. Since the surface is curved, different rays of light will be refracted to different degrees. The outermost rays will refract the most. Is run to what occurs when a divergent lens, it's like otherwise known as a concave or a bioconcave or plano-concave, is employed. In this case, light is refracted away from the axis and outward. Types of convex lens. You can see image of diagram. We have three types of convex lens. One, plano convex lens. Second, double convex lens. Third, concave convex lens. First, we are going to discussing about the plano convex lens. It is curved outward from one side and other side plane. It is positive focal length elements that have one spherical surface and one flat surface. These lenses are designed for infinite parallel lights used in non-critical applications. The plano convex lens, optical lens are for all purpose of focusing elements. It is used to paramedical, defense, robots, etc. Second, we are going to discussing about the double convex lens. It is curved outward from both sides. It is also known as bioconvex lens or just convex. You can see image of diagram. They have shorter focal length than plano convex lens of equal diameter and surface of radius. So many optical devices require longer focal lengths. Hence, the double convex lens are most preferred. It is also used to the projector, telescope, cameras, and etc. Double convex lens. It is also produce the visual image for the human eye and the real image for photography and optical sensor and also used in burning glass. Next, we are going to discussing about the concave convex lens. You can see image of diagram. It is curved inwards from one side and outwards from one side. It can be used to balance outside the spherical caused by other lens. It is used to controlling the laser beams. It is a combination of lens with one convex lens and one concave lens side, that is concave convex lens or Meniscus. Uses of convex lens. The convex lens in magnifying glasses. Most common use of convex lens is in a magnifying glasses. As the light rays enter to the convex lens present in the magnifying glass, these rays became focused on a specific focal point in front of center of the lens. It is also, if the magnifying glass is at an optical distance, this generates the maximum magnification of the object. The convex lens in eyeglasses. A person have problem like farsightedness or nearsightedness as the eye lens fail to focus the light on a retina properly. A person who is suffering from farsightedness, the image is formed by lens is far behind the retina. In addition, this makes a person difficult to see near objects as the lens is not capable to focus the image in a proper manner on the retina. We can also cure this by using a convex lens placed in front of the eye. Besides, the convex lens bends the light rays that reduce the length of focal point and the light focus on a retina in a proper manner. Uses of convex lens in cameras. In a camera, we use a convex lens because it focuses on an image as well as magnify the image of the object. Also, the camera lens consists of convex lens followed by a concave lens followed by a second convex lens. The first lens controls the magnification level of image by moving away from or towards the object. Convex lens used in microscope. In a microscope, we use a convex lens because convex lens magnifies images. Microscope generate extremely magnified image of very small objects. For this purpose, convex lenses are very useful. Moreover, simple microscope mostly consists of three lenses. However, among the three lenses, the lens present at the end of microscope produce an inverted and magnified image. Thank you. We will see the next video for concave lens. Don't forget, you can see, you should subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment, share it. Don't forget, click the bell button. Thank you.